Hello guys, it's Milton Washington Tech 1999. This is a really important video because I just missed a super rare alert which was issued in the last 10 minutes. I was downstairs and I did not hear my radios go off at all. You'll never guess what it is. Wait for it. Now, 911 telephone outage emergency on WWG24. It was issued like 8 minutes ago, or maybe even up to an hour ago, I don't know, when the 12522 didn't go off due to a blurry signal. Really hate that I missed it, because on Saturday I missed a storm warning and a high wind warning, so I'm really losing my act, so sorry guys, but I guess this will be a missed EAS. And let me show you why the TOE message was issued. The message was issued for a cut fiber optic cable on the San Juan Islands that cut off 911 services and internet on the San Juan Islands, which is within WWG24 range. So, I guess I'll wait for a follow-up update if one is issued, but for now, see you guys later.